Hi, welcome to the PageFly video tutorial series. In this video, I will guide you on how to add a parallax effect to a section in PageFly. Open up the PageFly page editor. From the main dashboard, click on Pages and select the page you want to add a parallax effect. So the very first thing we want to do is head over to the Add Element tab on the left toolbar. Grab a full section and drag and drop it onto the page. Click the section and check the breadcrumb to ensure you have selected the right element. Then navigate over to Styling and scroll down. Under the background style, choose Parallax. Then upload your image. To make the image show fully, we will add a little bit of padding on both ends. Let's try 200 pixels on the top and 200 pixels on the bottom, and that should give us a little bit more room to show the image. Remember that this effect only works on live view. So to see the effect, I will go ahead and hit publish to see the page in real time. So here we can see the parallax effect as we scroll down. It's quite subtle, but the image in the background stays fixed as the rest of the page moves. And it's just a really cool design feature to add to your page. Now let's go back to the page editor. Remember, when adding these margin and padding parameters, it will affect your device from a mobile view. So what we want to do is switch to the mobile view and just adjust the section padding like this. Now publish the page again, and check the live page. You can also check it on mobile to see how it looks. To customize the effects, go to Settings, and here you can set the speed for the parallax effect and add overlay colors if you want. When you're done editing the page, hit Save and publish the page. Then check it on desktop and mobile to ensure the pages are responsive. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.